Hey y'all, my name is Phiroozeh, my pronouns are she, her, and I'm a holistic healer, self-care educator, and writer based in Oakland, California. I'm really excited and really just honored to be here with you, sharing this brief practice around self-love and self-compassion for particularly LGBTQ populations as we enter and celebrate Pride Month. So whenever you're ready, find a comfortable posture, whether seated or laying down, as we move through a practice around a little bit of grounding and centering, and then working with a couple of chakras, those energy locks that live within us that we can use to really tap into some of our deeper healing. So take a moment to find that comfortable posture. And if you are seated, roll the shoulders up, back, and down. Lengthen through the spine, top of the skull reaching up towards the ceiling. And then just soften the gaze, looking towards a spot a couple of feet in front of you. Noticing the temperatures that you feel against the skin. Noticing any sounds you hear inside the room or outside. And then you can keep this soft gaze, or you can allow the eyes to close. Bringing the awareness inward now. Notice the parts of the physical body that are making contact with a surface. Allowing those contact points to ground you into the earth that is supporting you, holding you. Grounding into this moment, these few minutes you're carving out to connect with yourself. And then we'll take 3 to 5 breaths in through the nose, out through the mouth. On each exhale, releasing the day thus far. Letting go any tensions that are lingering. One more. Letting the breath now return to its natural flow. Notice just the mental landscape. Witnessing and acknowledging whatever thoughts are coming and going. Any emotions that are either at the forefront or way in the background. Making these observations without judgment, without trying to block anything out, but rather just acknowledging what is present. Allowing the mental activity to fade into the background. Almost like you're turning the volume down on that ever-present chatter. And bringing your awareness now to the breath. Beginning to simply witness the in-breath and the out-breath. Just as they are. Noticing where you feel the rise and fall of the breath in this moment. And then resting your awareness there for the next few breaths. letting the breath flow through the nose or the mouth or any combination that feels supportive in this moment. And as you settle into the physical body, give the weight of your body to the earth beneath. As you settle in the mind, allowing again whatever remnants of thoughts or emotions come in to also pass and flow away with some ease, without necessarily attaching on to one thought and letting that story run and kind of pull you under. Just letting them go. Relax the forehead, let the eyes soften in their sockets. Let the tongue relax to the bottom of the mouth. And the jaws release any amount.